How's it going? Daniel here. So we're pretty much almost 48 hours away from Apple's big event where they of course are going to show the iPhone 11, if that's what they're going to call it. And so what should we expect from their September event in 2 days? Well, of course, like I just said, the iPhone. So, of course, every September event, we've come to know that it's always the iPhone that, of course, they update and release. And this year, it looks like they're going to be releasing 3 new iPhones. So, the iPhone 11, the 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max, if that's what they're all going to be called. And from the rumors and the leaks that have been coming out from all these models that YouTubers have been getting, the news has been getting, it's going to have in the back 3 cameras. So, of course, the main camera, telephoto camera, and then maybe a wide angle camera, which I hope is true because I love wide angles photography or lenses. And so I use that a lot. And so I'm hoping that Apple does release a wide angle lens on the new iPhones. And so yeah, so the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max are going to be, of course, the high end, if that's the name. They're going to be the high end iPhones, and that will probably have some like cool exclusive features that you can only use on those phones. And of course, the iPhone 11, they're saying it's going to be like the 10R kind of style, where it's going to be, of course, the cheaper version, but of course, it's still going to have a lot of cool stuff, and it's going to be a pretty good looking phone and powerful phone as well. So yeah, so we're gonna so from the rumors, they're gonna be releasing 3 iPhones on Tuesday, September, in their September event. Next, of course, is the Apple Watch. So the Apple Watch got a nice little change up last year. So we're not gonna be expecting a big redesign change with the Apple Watch. But from leaks that have been popping up is that there are going to be 2 models of it, of housing, ceramic and what was the other one again? Cement or something like that, ceramic. I forgot the other one. Just gotta pop it up, of course, on the camera here on the screen for you guys. But it's gonna be 2 models, of course, and of course more Apple Watch bands, which every event that Apple holds, they always release some new updated watch bands, and probably these ones are gonna be the fall lineup, which I kind of hate that I said fall because I'm gonna miss summer. So yeah. Next, of course, there may be a tile kind of feature. So if you guys know Tile, Tile, of course, is this little product that you could connect to your keychain to whatever product you want, and it helps you find it in case you lose it using the app installed on your iPhone. And so Apple might be releasing some type of Tile feature where it will help you find your Apple products, of course, using AR features. So yeah, that's gonna be maybe a surprise right there. Next, of course, the services. Maybe we're gonna get new updates of their services. So like Apple TV Plus or TV Plus. So we already know a release date for it. Maybe they're gonna show more trailers of some new shows that they're going to be showing instead of just announcing. So hopefully we'll get new trailers of some new cool TV shows that they might be showing up. Maybe a Disney Plus integration stuff, since they're pretty much best friends, Disney and Apple. What else can we be expecting from them in the service area? So that's pretty much it. I think it's mostly gonna be their TV Plus stuff, since iPhone sales have been falling, and so Apple is looking for another way to make more money, and Apple services is it's doing a lot of good work, and it's it's making the company a lot of money, the services area. Next, of course, if you're looking for maybe some more news of the Mac Pro, the iMac Pro, one that they showed off earlier this year at WWDC. I hope maybe we're gonna get a release date for it. Now, of course, I'm not gonna be able to afford to buy one, but of course, it's just gonna be fun to look at on the computer screen, and just maybe hopes and dreams of ever owning one as well. What else do we have? Usually they don't update their iPads in their September event, but anything goes. So maybe new iPads they'll be showing up. But if they do hold an October event, maybe that's where they're going to talk about iPads And then of course maybe one more thing. One more thing could be AirPods noise cancellation features, AR glasses, the Apple Car. What else can they be talking about? So that's pretty much it, I guess, from all the rumors. So Apple can still, drop a big surprise at the end of the event where they're gonna maybe drop one more thing, maybe a new product that they've been working on. I'm hoping for some cool Apple glasses. That's what I'm like from all the renders and just the dreams that people have been designing on the internet. It's just maybe hopefully one day they'll release something like that. So that's pretty much it for what to expect for their September event. That's going to be in less than 2 days. Tell me what you guys are more excited about in the comments below. And that's it for now, guys. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.